Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to recharge on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you already hadn't done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom, we have your profile and everything about it. We have your messages, the plus button where you can go and put your own content on. We have the Explore tab, and the last tab, as you can see, is the, of course, For You tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and recharge on Likee. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So first of all, go to www.likee.video, then click on Recharge. After that, you just need to go and enter your Likee ID, which you can find on your profile. Select your country from your drop-down menu, and then select insurance as your payment option. Of course, that is pretty important. Select denomination, and then enter the PIN code on your receipt, and that's basically how you can do it just in a few steps, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. And until then, guys, bye.